Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks of Google Drive. You can save your time when you're using Google Drive after you learn this video. First of all, you have to sign into your Google account. My first tip in this video is how to open Google Drive files in the address bar. Here, if you want to open a document, Google document, you can type doc.new. You can see that Google document is opening automatically. And if you want to open a sheet, you can type sheet.new in the address bar and it's automatically opening. This is the Google file and this is the Google Doc I have opened by typing docs.new. And forms.new for Google Forms. Here it's a Google Form and this is a Google Slide. Like that you can open any Google document or sheet or slide or a form by typing .new in the address bar. Number 2 is advanced filter and searching. For that you can click on this symbol and then you can see that these filters are very advanced. You can select the type, you can select the owner, you can select and type the words. If you can't remember full name, you can enter at least one word and you can find the documents or any other file which contain that words. And here it's item name, location, you can edit the location, you can put the folders or other paths in your drive, and if you think it's in the trash, you can tick this one. Like that, date, modify, approvals, share to, like that. This window is for advanced filter and you can search any file inside the Google Drive by using that advanced filter. My third tip is a special one and it is very useful and it is very important tip. It's the best and favorite tip of me and I think it will be yours too. This tip is by artificial intelligence in Google Drive and you can see that you can convert pictures into text by using Google Drive. Okay, I select this picture, this is a sample picture and here you can see that I cannot edit any letter or word in this picture, but if you want